You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Hello students, welcome to your English language class 3. I hope you all are fine, safe at home and studying whatever is being given to you. Yes, today we shall learn a new unit. Interesting unit, subject and predicate. But before we go to this unit, subject and predicate, let us revise our previous unit, the sentence. Although you know it, we shall just revise once. Let us revise our previous topic. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. We use complete sentences every day when we speak, read and write. Complete sentences help us to communicate in a way that enable us to understand each other's thoughts and ideas. Yes, children, if we do not communicate in proper complete sentences, the other person will not understand what we are trying to tell them or what meaning the sentence is, in what meaning it is. So we should speak in complete sense so that the other person understands what we speak and there will be proper communication in between us two. Example, a fruit and apple is. The sentence is wrong as the sentence words are not placed in proper order. An apple is a fruit? Yes, the sentence is correct as the words are placed in proper order and we get to know the proper meaning of the sentence. Let's see the 3 important things to remember while writing a sentence. The words must be placed in proper order to make complete sense. The sentence must always begin with a capital letter. A full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark must be placed at the end of the sentence. To write a complete sentence, these 3 rules are very important. Look at the picture, then read the sentence given below. Now as I read the sentence, you can look at the pictures. The basket is full of mangoes. Rajni is drinking tea. Bahadur gets up at 7 o'clock. The cow is eating grass. The boy is eating an ice cream. The sun shines in the daytime. Here, the subject is what is said about a person or thing, and the subject is person or thing spoken about, and the predicate is what is said about the subject. Here we'll see the basket. We are speaking about the basket, but what are we speaking about? What is done? What is said about the basket? It is said that the basket is full of mangoes. Next, we speak about Ranjani. Ranjani, what is she doing? What it tells us? What Ranjani is telling us, or what is done by her? Ranjani is drinking tea. Bahadur, we speak about Bahadur. Tells us about the subject. What Bahadur tells us? Bahadur tells us Bahadur gets up at 7 o'clock. What is said about him? That he gets up at 7 o'clock. The cow, we speak about the cow. What is the cow? What is said about the cow? That it is eating grass. The boy. What is said about boy? That he is eating an ice cream. The sun. What is said about the sun? That it shines in the daytime. All sentences can be divided into two parts. The person or thing spoken about is called the subject. What is said about the person or thing is called the predicate. Let's see the first part of the sentence. The part of the sentence that names a person or a thing we are talking about is called the subject. The same thing, the person or thing we are speaking about is called the sentence. Predicate, second part of the sentence, it tells us what the subject does. Let's go to the examples. The boys are playing football. Who are we talking about? Here we are talking about the boys. What are the boys doing? The boys are playing football. So the boys is the subject of the sentence and the rest of the sentence is talking about the subject, that is the boys. So what are the boys doing? Are playing football is the predicate. Anna helped the blind man. Here, who are we talking about? We are talking about Anna. Anna is the subject of the sentence and the rest of the sentence is talking about the subject, that is Anna. Anna helped the blind man is the predicate of the sentence. Anna is the subject, helped the blind man, because what is done by Anna? It is help. What is said by it? It is that she has helped the blind man. Summary. A complete sentence expresses a complete thought. If the sentence is not complete, we do not understand the exact meaning of the sentence. Every complete sentence has a subject and a predicate. The subject is a person or thing spoken about. The predicate is what is being said about the subject or what the subject does. Let us move on to the exercise 1. In each of these sentences, circle the subject and underline the predicate. Apples grow on tree. Here we speak about apples. What is done by the apple or what is said about the apple? That apples grow on trees. So apple is the subject. Next comes sun. What is said about the sun? That the sun sets in the west. So the sun is the subject. The policeman, what is said about him? That he caught the thief. So the policeman is the subject. The book on the table is new. So the book on the table is the subject, is new is the predicate. The servant, what is said about the servant? That he opened the door. So the servant is subject. Her brother's name is Tom. Her brother's name, subject, is Tom is the predicate. A knife has a blade and a handle. What is said about the knife? We are speaking about the knife. What is said about the knife? That it has a blade and a handle. The grocer sells tea and sugar. The grocer is the subject, sells tea and sugar, predicate. Rain. What is said about the rain? That the rain falls from the clouds. So rain is the subject, falls from the cloud is the predicate. The moon moves around the earth. The move subject, moves around the earth, predicate. With the help of the words given in the box, write a sentence of your own. The cat is happy. A boy is playing with a ball. A ship is sailing. A young man is resting on the beach. Afzal is ringing a bell. Rani is carrying an umbrella. Add predicate to the following subjects. Hens lay egg. Aeroplanes fly up in the sky. The teacher is teaching English. The stars shine up in the sky, or the stars shine during the night. A fireman puts off the fire. Dash has 2 motor cars. Rahul has 2 motor cars. Rani has lost her doll. The boat or ship sails on the sea. Hen lay eggs. Biscuits are on the plate. So children, with this we come to the end of the Unit 2 Subject and Predicate. If you have any doubt, do not hesitate. You can call me anytime and I will clear your doubt. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay home.